My primary goal is to make my pieces as interesting as possible. And one way of doing this is to combine other materials. I started doing these pieces which I call water's edge, like when you're canoeing or kayaking in a lake and looking at the shoreline. But everything was copper. So I wanted to introduce a different metal and a different color. I braze with bare bronze rod. So I thought, I'll try that. And I found more and more ways that I could incorporate it into my sculptures. That's why I use annealing. Annealing, bringing the bronze rod up to red hot and then letting it cool. That makes it very malleable. I started out using the hammer and anvil, and that worked very well. But just to save some wear and tear on my shoulder and arms, I went for a rolling mill. So there you have it. Using a relatively inexpensive rod, you can add more variety and color to your sculptures. I think you'll find a number of ways that you can incorporate this into the sculptures that you're doing.